দেখা যাচ্ছে? Hello, I am Chaudhary Mushfiqur Rahman. Appeared before yourself after a very long period of time. Today I am going to take some online class, and today I am going to take a class for class 9 and 10. And I am not directly declaring my class. I think step by step you will be able to understand which class I am going to take. Okay, let's conduct my class and join with them. No. Okay, dear students, now look at my computer screen. I am going to bring some snap for you, and welcome to my English class. Try to guess what class I am going to take. So you are seeing my introduction. I am Chaudhary Mushfiqur Rahman, assistant teacher English, Boira Dak Bibhagio High School, Boira Khulna, and I am going to conduct a class from class 9 and 10. And of course the class is related with the short syllabus of SSC exam 2021 and also 2022. So what are we seeing at the picture? This is a Shohid Minar, and the snap is about related with language movement. So the snap we have just seen was related to our International Mother Language Day or 21st February. Now let's check another snap. So dear students, can you guess what is the snap about? The pictures are related to which historical day? So if you can guess, and this is the topic of the day, and today our topic is May Day. May Day, and it is so from the topics, what will be our learning outcomes? Students will be able to talk about May Day, tell about the significance of the May Day, and ask and answer question. And finally we will solve a fill in the blanks and practice new vocabulary, practice reading and writing skill. So there are some picture, and the picture is about May Day, and these are the pictures that the levers of the Macromic Harvester Machine Company are working, and we are seeing 6 snaps here. May Day workers at Macromic Company in 1886, and at the right side we are seeing the May Day workers in Bangladesh at present. So though the incident of May Day took place in 1886, after 100 years later the scenario is still the same, because in Bangladesh there are a lot of poor peoples who are still struggling very hard and working very hard, but their future is not changed. Here are some pictures made at Macromic Harvester Machine Company in 1886. So you are watching what types of work did the laborers used to work in Macromic Harvester Machine Company in 1886, and the workers in Bangladesh at present. আবু তুমি এইখানে আসো, এইখানে 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 আসো তো। So this is the Macromic Harvester Machine Company, where the students, the workers of May Day used to work, and parts of history. And this is the snap of Macromic, and this is his Macromic and his harvester machine company. The workers of mills and factories had been working a long shift 14 hours a day before 1886. So before the incident of the May Day, workers had to work a very long shift, and a very long shift here means 14 hours a day, and these are the activities that the laborers used to do. So it was very tough for the workers to continue work for a very long shift, 14 or even more hours a day. So the workers demanded 8-hour work day. And actually, you know that May 1st or International Workers' Day is observed all over the world to commemorate the historic struggle and sacrifice of the May Day. And the sole main demand of the workers was to continue the work only for 8. The day demanded 8-hour works, 8 hours they demanded rest, and 8-hour pleasure. This is another snap. On May 1st in 1886, half of the workers of the Macromic Harvester Company, inspired by the trade unions, went on a strike demanding an 8-hour work day. On May 1st, 1886, half of the workers of the Macromic Harvester Machine Company went on a strike. They went on a strike. Workers called a strike for 8 hours and work demanded. And this is a video. This is the real history of May Day, and you can enjoy what happened on 3rd May 1886 inside the Macromic Harvester Machine Company. I am showing you here.
වසරේ මේ මස පළමුවෙනිදා ඇමරිකාවේ චිකාගෝනුව රැඩකම්කරුවන් රැස්වන්නේ දිනක සේවා මුදය පැය 8කට සීමා කරන ලෙස ඉල්ලමින් දහසකින් පමණ ආරම්භ වූ දූෂණයේ තුන්වන දිනවල විට ඊට එක්ව සිටි කම්කරුවන් කරන 65,000කට අධිකයි. වැඩ වර්ජනයේ තීරණාත්මක දිනේ වන්නේ 1986 වසරේ මේ මස 3වෙනිදායි. වැඩ වර්ජනයේ වර්ධනය සඳහා එල්ල කළ පොලිස් ප්‍රහාරයෙන් කම්කරුවන් සිටිනෙකුට දිනේ නිවනවා. ඊට විරෝධය පළ කරමින් මේ මස 4වෙනිදා කම්කරුවන් රැස්වන්නේ ඒ මාර්ග චතුරස්‍රයයි.
This is the real incident of May Day, and workers were struggling to establish an 8-hour work day, and these are the people who were killed instantly by the police.
පැය 8ක සේවා කාලයේ ලාර්ගල කළ සගයන් සීකිරීමට මේ මාස පළමුවෙනිදා වෙන් කරගන්නා බවයි. ඒ අනුව සෑම වසරක මේ මාස පළමුවෙනිදා ලෝක කම්කරු දිවස ප්‍රකාශයට පත්වනවා. අද මේ දිනයේ ලෝක කම්කරු දිනය 125 වන සැමරුමයි.
So dear students, we have already seen a video related to the real incidents took place on May 3rd 1886 in the before the Macromic Harvester Machine Company. Let's check some another slide. Police were called in when fighting broke out between striking workers and strike breakers at Macromic Harvester Machine Company, and these are the pictures what happened before the Macromic Harvester Machine Company when a clash took place between two rival groups, the supporters of the strike and the opposition of the strike. Now we should learn some vocabulary before going to the text. Observe. Observe means celebrate a festival. Struggle means make forceful effort to get free. Revelation, a dramatic and wide-reaching change. So what do we mean to say revolution? A revolution means a sudden great change. At present we are facing big problem to face COVID-19 problem, and COVID-19, that means coronavirus, has brought about a great change in the world within a year. So coronavirus has brought about a great revolution. Similarly, a dramatic and wide racing change were brought about by the machine. The French Revolution brought a great change in a lot of the nations. Similarly, Industrial Revolution, when the industries were set up around the world, it brought about a great change in our life pattern and working condition. Inspired means support, encouraged, উদ্বুদ্ধ করা অথবা উৎসাহিত করা, like Bangladeshi people always inspired our cricket team. Next, strike, refuse to work as a form of organized protest. So strike means refuse to work, stop working. So dear students, you can do some individual work staying at home. At first, what does May Day refer to? How long did the workers have to work a day before May 1st strike? How many workers are victimized for taking part in the strike? Why did the workers in Chicago go on a strike? What do you learn from the events of May 1st, 1886? So if you go through the text and attempt to find out the answer of these questions, you will be able to understand the real hidden meanings of the topic. So after the text, here is a gap for pair works. You can see the gap or write down the gap on your exam script or khata, and you will find the gap in your English for today book also and try to solve them. It will be very helpful to understand the problem of May Day in Bangladesh. Now some guided question for you. Do you think Tanya's monthly salary is enough for her work? Does Tanya live in a hygienic places? It is good for her health. And what may happen if she continues living there? Is the factory safe enough for workers to work in? Why do you think so? Do you have any suggestion for the factory workers, general health, happiness and safety? If so, what? So this type of question are very important for the students because there are some higher skills question. And you will try to write down a paragraph on May Day and its significance. So this is very important, and try to write down a paragraph. This is very much important for you. So actually you have to go through the text and very well to understand the real situation of the May Day, because you will find many important information while going through the text. So May Day is not observed all over the world. It is observed almost all the countries of the world. Still there are some people, countries who have not acknowledged May Day, have not yet acknowledged the right of the laborers. At the very beginning of the industrial revolution, and we have already known that revolution means a great sudden great change. Workers had to work a very long shift, 14 or even more hours a day, and it was taking place in 18th and 19th century. So in order to establish an 8-hour work day, the workers went on a strike. Half of the workers of the Macromic Harvester Machine Company went on a strike, and they demanded their right, and the trade leaders of some trade unions supported their strike, and they asked three things to the strikers. They asked the strikers to go on with their strike, not to give in their bosses, and to be united. And the very incident made a proof that workers will continue to be exploited until they stand up and speak out for better pay, better salary, and better working condition. In fact, the event of May Day was brought about by the owners. If the owners treated the laborers very well and give them proper salary, proper working condition, and proper working hour, the event of May Day didn't take place in this world. Of course, it is a very historical day. After the incident of the May Day, workers all over the world enjoy very nice working condition, 8-hour work day, and it will continue. So that's all for today. We will continue our class elaborately after that. Thank you very much.